Hello everybody, Minsan konnichiwa, Namang. Today I'm at Bangkok Central Rama. I'm going to explore this place for a while. Particularly I'm going to DJI store and check out their wireless mic. So let's go. I think it's at the 4th floor. Very bustling Sunday today. Hope you guys are good. I like coming to Bangkok more because it has a lot of shopping options and dining and also strong aircon. It's similar to any mall in the world, right? But here is like kind of different culture. Wow, this mall is very like high-tech and a bit retro. Okay guys, this is the DJI store. It's not too big, but nobody here, so I can go and try the gadgets and wireless mic. Unfortunately, they don't allow to test for the wireless mic DJI Mini 2. But it's about 1990 baht. There's even a currency money exchange here. Wow. So level say it's a food court called Food Patio. I'm amazed by the different number of names of the food court. In Singapore, we don't have so many names. Mr. Jolly and lots of restaurant, KFC and SP Restaurant Bakery. Level 5 is very big. I mean, you can walk from one end to the other end. I think in 10 minutes also not enough. But they're having some kind of events right now. And there's lots of people. Let's have a closer look. Upstairs, there are some more restaurants. What's it even about, man? They even have the chocolate acai bowl here. If you are here, it's like it feels like Siam Paragon, but it's not so atas, but it's newer than the Fortune Town I went just now. And the design of this mall is quite special. Som Tam. Oh, there's a restaurant dedicated for Som Tam. Oh. So I feel that the mall is more a restaurant dining. But maybe level 1 to 3, they're shopping. The top floor, there seems to be a cinema here and a McDonald's. I like the Thailand McDonald's, they thoroughly crowd you. So SFX Cinema. Oh, I used to watch movie there when I came to Thailand many years back. Nice place. And there are some restaurants here as well and a big mascot. There's even a car over there. Wow. Look at the many people here, and these are the places for the sitting arrangement. Wow. Mango sticky rice, check how much the price. Mango sticky rice cake in coconut, 99 baht. Oh, there's a Hai Di Lao restaurant here, Thai version. Let's see any difference. Oh, okay. Well, same. Let's take a look at the floor map. It's insane. There are 12 floors, and the upper floor is education. 8 to 10 is beauty, and 7 dining, 6 all the way to basement. There's a food court. Oh, there's even a Starbucks here. Thailand is getting westernized. Come try the Thai milk tea, man. Cha Cha Moon since 1945.